This small spill kit comes equipped with nitrile gloves as well as goggles. Comes with 2 absorbent socks, which are meant to contain your spill, as well as 10 absorbent pads, which can soak up the spill. It also comes with a clear bag so that you can dispose of the items properly, as well as a label.
And on top of the small bag, we also have a 20-gallon spill kit. The 20-gallon spill kit, as you see, comes in a large PVC container. Within this kit, we do also have PPE. You see we have some more gloves. These ones, as you can tell, are a little bit higher quality than the ones in the smaller kit. Another set of goggles. We have 5 larger absorbent socks, as you can see. And we have 50 absorbent pads.
Like you took everything out. Like just turn the thing on.
And this one comes with over 100 absorbent pads. This one does as well come with a disposable bag. This one, though, has the caution label printed directly on the bag that you can see here. And if you do have a spill in your facility and you only use part of the kit, we do sell the socks, the absorbent pads, the materials all separately. That way you can always have the option of having a complete